So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 3rd till the 9th of March. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. Okay, let's start, Libra. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the 5 of wands. Okay, so someone here is struggling with this energy, with this dynamics between you and them. There's a lot of chaos, there is a lot of conflict, and this is happening internally more than externally. Okay, let's clarify this 5 of wands. Maybe a lot of people, a lot of energies are involved in the situation, and they're trying to figure out a way to get out of this chaos. Let's clarify the 5 of wands. We have the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, the Lovers. Yeah, see, even if other people, other energies are not involved in the situation romantically, but there is an effect of other people, other energies on this connection, and they're trying to find a way to not to get affected by other energies in the situation, and being in a very stable, very mature and grounded kind of energy with you, right? So this is someone who is feeling chaotic, conflicted, and they feel like trying to find a path, trying to find a middle ground so that nobody is going to get hurt, so that you and them are going to have a beautiful connection, ongoing connection. Yeah, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? By the way, the other energies that they are dealing with, or you both are dealing with, are quite important for both of you. That's why you guys are just not able to shoo them away. Yeah, 6 of Swords. You feel like finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. Both of you are wanting to have a solution to the problem here. Especially you. You are like, okay, if we are not able to find a solution, let me detach and let me just do my own thing. Let me find my own peace. You are still carrying a lot of past baggages with you, Libra, and that's kind of affecting you, the situation, much more than it should. Yeah, you're working on it. That's really cool. So you're kind of in this energy of being very hurt by something or someone, or by the idea of wanting to have something solid on the table in the situation, in this situation, but you're not getting it. So you feel like you should do whatever you can do from your side in order to make something happen in a beautiful and positive way without hurting others, because you yourself are very hurt, and instead of hurting others, you feel like finding a solution. That's really sweet of you, Libra. You are just trying to find a solution here where nobody is getting hurt, and everybody is making this work out in a beautiful and positive way. Especially from your side, you feel like you should do whatever you can do. Really good energy. So proud of you. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Okay, got it. We have the Ace of Cups. So this person wants to come forward towards you, and they want to open up to you honestly. They want to open up to you with all of their heart and soul. You can say this person wants to be vulnerable in front of you so that they can tell you exactly what they're going through and what they're feeling. Somebody wants to tell you their exact feelings, express their feelings. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups. This person certainly have a lot of deep-rooted feelings for you. Yeah, they don't want to remain practical all the time about the situation. They want to come towards you with the love, the emotions, and the energies that they carry for you. They want to put an end to this being mature all the time, being practical all the time kind of energy. And this is somebody who wants to come forward towards you with a lot of energy of, I want to express myself completely honestly to you with all of my heart and soul. So somebody here wants to express their feelings to you in a very beautiful way. Yeah, overwhelming feelings actually. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? 3 of Swords. You just want to get over the pain that you are experiencing still in the situation, or maybe because of multiple past experiences in this area of your life, you are still getting over those situations, right? I'm telling you, you're still getting a lot of past baggages with you, and you're trying to let go of them. It's not like you're not working on them. You are, but still you are carrying a lot of hurt and pain. Let's clarify the 3 of Swords here. We have the Eight of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Four of Pentacles. See, it's like you don't want to start any new chapter of your life unless you are done with the previous ones. And it's a really very, very good idea, Libra. You don't want to hurt others because you are still carrying the pain and you are still carrying the past baggages with you. You're very, very precise, very, very clear in your energies that you don't want to hurt others because of your own energies and because of your own not being able to, sort it out with yourself kind of energy. Very good, fantastically beautiful energy. You just want to hold on to this energy of starting any new chapter of your life unless you are not done with the pain that you're still carrying with yourself. Fantastically beautiful energy from your side. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 9th of March, Libra. Five of Pentacles. It's like feeling a certain kind of losses. It's like you are going to be like you have to go through some kind of pain in order to let that go completely, that you're doing anyways, but something is coming up so that you can heal it and release it properly. It's not coming up to hurt you more or harm you more. You might take it as like that because we all are humans and our mind is always ready to make stories. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles here, honey. We have the Nine of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, the Sun card. Yeah, see, this deep rooted healing that you are going forward to have, that's going to actually lead to a major happiness in the coming future, because everything is going to be crystal clear as day for you guys. You will be very sure about what you really want in your life and what you really don't want. You are going to be in this energy of taking one step at a time, and you're heading towards major happiness. This loss is actually temporary, but this happiness is actually something that's going to teach you to how to be happy for the rest of your life. This is a major arcana card, by the way, honey. So you're heading towards like major happiness in the coming future because of the healing, because of this energy of taking one day at a time kind of a deal, and letting go of certain people and things out of your life, out of your system that's not going to serve you anymore. Yes, it's going to be painful, but it's leading to the path of happiness. You are directly heading towards happiness. Slow and steady is going to win the race for you. It's very difficult for air signs and fire signs to wait and watch, but you're doing it, and you're doing it really beautifully. I'm so proud of you. For you, the guidance here is the Wheel of Fortune. As your energies are shifting, everything around you is going to shift, everything around you is going to change in a very positive way. But if you're going to take it as, oh my god, everything is changing and I'm not ready for this much changes in my life, and I'm not ready for this or I'm not ready for that, guess what? You are the one who is going to block your own healings and own blessings. So change is the only constant that you should always keep on reminding yourself. At the same time, try to understand that in order to get the kind of happiness that you want to have, you have to go you have to flow with the changes. Take it one day at a time. There's no rush, but change is the only constant. And as you are going to change and shift your energies, everything around you is also going to change. Yeah, according to your energies. Yeah. Thank you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.